Good day everyone and welcome to the first lecture on this course. In this course, we're gonna discuss what is .NET and what's the difference between .NET and C#. .NET is a developer platform created by Microsoft for building many different applications such as web or mobile. It's free, open source and cross-platform. First of all, I said it's free, but what's exactly free in .NET? Programming languages, compilers, libraries, and runtimes that make up the .NET platform are all free, even for commercial use. Secondly, it's open source, and anyone can join them to inspect, modify, and enhance it. The last one, cross-platforming, which means .NET applications can be coded once and launched on any platform. For understanding it, let me show you what does cross-platform mean. Imagine this guy built a console application by .NET and C#. Because of cross-platforming, he can run his application on the Windows, Linux, and macOS. So, he coded once and ran it across many platforms. This made developing faster with less cost. Alright, this course is about C#, but why we're talking about .NET? As we've told you, .NET is a developer platform which has several programming languages. One of these is C#. In other words, .NET is a tool that lets you build and run C# applications. Besides C#, you can use F# or Visual Basic for building .NET applications. Okay, one of the most important part of the .NET is CLR. In the next lecture, we talk about it. See you soon.